When it comes time to prune larger branches such as this from some of your ornamental trees, the safe way to do it is to implement something called the 3-cut method. And I'm here with Dr. Damon Abdi, landscape horticulturist, to learn a little bit more about this method. So Damon, why don't you take us through how you actually do this?
So if a branch just dies in your yard tonight, bring out the cutting crew and use that 3-cut method to safely get this branch off the tree. Now the 3-cut method involves making first an undercut, followed by an overcut a little bit towards the end of the branch. Once that branch falls off that bark collar, then you can just trim it up and make it neat.
So Damon, why don't you tell us a little bit, why is this first cut underneath so important?
So if you cut from the top, the weight of that branch is going to fall down and it's going to peel that bark, and it can create wounding and other kinds of issues. So by making that notch, that little undercut, that branch is going to fall clean off and it's going to avoid that challenge.
And the actual collar, if you could show us that, because that's a really important zone to not cut into. So why is that so important right here?
So one thing you don't want to do is expose a huge wound gap that can allow for insects or disease to come. So if you cut right outside the branch collar, that's going to allow the tree to naturally compartmentalize and heal over that area without having issues. So rather than just making an overcut, having that notch in the bottom can prevent damage to the tree, your property, and any risk to yourself.
All right, those are all great tips, and I really appreciate it. For Get It Growing, I'm Jason Stagg along with Dr. Damon Abdi for the LSU AgCenter.